Hi, Sarah here. I have a quick video just showing you how I'm storing my December daily. You can see my haul just in front of me here. I'm just going to be putting it all away into this crepe paper box, as well as another plastic box which I just got from a local craft store. The products that I am using for my December daily I will link below. There's my Santa Baby Prima collection, which was from Thompson's Craft Supplies, some perspectives by Bramble Fox, some more extra supplies and nice little embellishments that I got from Paper Pen and Plan, and also some sequins from Lucy's cards, and then just one or two bits and bobs that I do add in afterwards that just matched in, that just happened to be in my stash that is, you know, years old, or just the right colours. So I'll leave you to watch the video now with some music, and if you have any questions just leave me a comment below, and if you're new to my channel and you'd like to see what I have coming up, then please do also like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, enjoy.